This video is brought to you by Hatsoft. Did you know that honeybees are some of the most remarkable creatures on our planet? With their intricate social structure, unparalleled teamwork, and astonishing contributions to ecosystems, honeybees are far more than just honeymakers. In today's video, we're diving deep into the buzzing world of honeybees. Let's start with the basics. A honeybee colony is a bustling metropolis, typically home to 20,000 to 80,000 bees. At the center of it all is the queen bee. She's the mother of the hive, capable of laying up to 2,000 eggs in a single day. Then there are the female worker bees, the backbone of the hive. They perform tasks like cleaning, nursing larvae, building honeycomb, and foraging for nectar. Lastly, we have the male drones, whose primary role is to mate with the queen. Once that's done, their purpose in the hive is complete. Have you ever wondered why honeycombs are hexagonal? It's not by accident. The hexagon is nature's most efficient shape, allowing bees to store the maximum amount of honey while using the least amount of wax. Talk about smart engineering. These wax cells are incredibly strong and lightweight, making them perfect for storing honey, pollen, and even baby bees, called brood. Honeybees are crucial for pollination, which is vital for producing fruits, vegetables, and nuts. In fact, about 1/3 of the food we eat depends on pollinators like honeybees. They transfer pollen between flowers, helping plants reproduce and bear fruit. Without honeybees, our global food supply would be in serious trouble. So, the next time you see a bee buzzing around a flower, remember, it's working hard to ensure we all have food on our plates. Honeybees have a fascinating way of communicating. When a worker bee finds a rich source of nectar, it doesn't just keep it to itself. It returns to the hive and performs the famous waggle dance. This unique movement conveys directions to the nectar source, including its distance and angle relative to the sun. This level of communication is incredibly sophisticated for such small creatures. Honey isn't just a sweet treat, it's a superfood. To make honey, worker bees collect nectar from flowers and store it in their honey stomachs. Once back at the hive, they pass the nectar to other bees, who chew it to break it down into simple sugars. Finally, they store it in honeycomb cells and fan it with their wings to evaporate excess water. The result? Pure, golden honey that can last for thousands of years without spoiling. Unfortunately, honeybees are under threat. Habitat loss, pesticides, climate change, and diseases like colony collapse disorder have significantly reduced bee populations worldwide. This decline is alarming, not just for bees but for us humans, as it directly affects our food supply and ecosystems. So, how can we help honeybees? Start by planting bee-friendly flowers in your garden. Avoid using harmful pesticides and support local beekeepers by buying their honey. You can also create a small water source for bees to drink from. Every little effort counts in ensuring these tiny heroes thrive. Honeybees are truly extraordinary. They are architects, communicators, pollinators, and producers of nature's sweetest gift. Protecting them is essential for our planet's health and our survival.